Do you want to know how to grant access to your Notion account to Notion support? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to grant access to Notion support to your Notion account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Notion app on your laptop. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your Notion account. Now on the top left corner of a screen, you're gonna see your username, and right beside it will be a small drop-down icon. Tap on it, then navigate your way to settings. Once you do that, you'll see categories like my account, my settings, etc. You're gonna have to go ahead and tap on my account and scroll down. Well, you'll find the category support where the first option will be support access. Just go ahead and turn it on. Then you'll successfully grant access to the Notion's support to your Notion account. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.